the Bitcoin price is ready to make a large move. And if that sounds interesting, make sure you continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here, and welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis video. Now, as you guys can see in the last video, I did mention that if we fail to break above this exponential moving average on Bitcoin, it is extremely bearish. So we were talking around when this candlestick was forming, and you can see that this was a bearish engulfing candle that actually closed below the exponential moving averages. Currently, Bitcoin is ranging back down. We are now being rejected on the lower time frames and on the lower exponential moving averages, the 9 and the 20, which is extremely bearish. Now, of course, there isn't much volume because it is the weekend, so we have to be careful about that too. But I can see that Bitcoin could retest this support line down here at 19,522 and actually break below. The reason for that is this consolidation move. Usually when Bitcoin consolidates, it will usually range in the middle over here. It is very rare for a consolidation move to keep retesting these support lines down here. And in reality, what happens is the more times a support level is tested, the higher chances of it is breaking down. So as you guys can see right now, Bitcoin is testing the exponential moving averages and completely failing to break above, and we will be retesting the 19.5 level. The question is whether or not we can actually hold this support line for a fourth test. In my opinion, I really think it's highly unlikely that Bitcoin could. I was pretty bullish again right over here when Bitcoin did retest the 20.5 level, and I did mention that we could be looking at a retest of 20.7 if we can break above this exponential moving average. But in reality it literally failed. Like, we could not break above it, and now it looks like it's ranging downward. So you have to be careful when you're trading these kind of support levels. When you're ranging down like that, you don't want to be entering any long positions because pretty much everything is against you, right? You have the support level coming closer and closer, you have the exponential moving averages pushing the price lower, and you have a major exponential moving average, or the 50 level, pushing the price even lower. So you just have to be careful about that when you're looking for any long positions. Ideally, what you want in a long position is you want to be hovering above the support levels, above the exponential moving averages, and looking for a retest of it as support. So as you can see right over here, we had a retest support right on this candlestick. This would be a good idea to go long. But again, of course, we still have to break above the 20.5 in order for this theory to be true. Otherwise, it just looks like a consolidation range pattern. Now, of course, Bitcoin can have a massive candlestick going to the upside, but in reality, it looks like on the lower time frame, so if I were to go on the 1 hour time frame, you can see that this looks pretty bearish, right? We're still consolidating, yes. We're still above this support level over here at 19.7. You can see that the Bitcoin has created a micro support level and is hovering around that level. But in my opinion, this is not a good level to be entering a long position. I think what will happen is we may see a candlestick down and actually break this support level now, because this has been ranging for the past few days. Usually it won't range for that long, and we'll usually see an upwards movement. Now, this could just be an accumulation stage, of course, where whales are accumulating and holding the price down before a massive move to the upside, and squeezing all those shorts. I have seen that happen quite a bit too, but in my opinion, usually those moves have already happened, right? You don't see it ranging for like 4, 5, 6 days in this very tight level, and everyone at this point is pretty much guessing, right? All the people on YouTube are kind of saying like, okay, well, it's gonna go up, and the other side are saying it's gonna go down. But in reality, guys, you just have to look at the bigger picture, and right now the bigger picture is the fact that support levels are going to be retested again at 19.5, and the major support at 18.8 down here is the level you want to be looking for a long position. That will be personally a safer area to long than kind of guessing right now where the long position is going to be in this consolidation range. If the price of Bitcoin breaks up at 20.7, you can obviously enter short positions, but you need confirmation, right? Don't be looking for a level to retest at 20.7 and then come back down and be like, okay, it's a great time to enter a long position, and then the level continues on being higher. What you want is you want to see a level break above, come back, retest this line again at the resistance at 20.7, fail, and then continue down, and that's where you enter your short position. Now, for those long positions, what you want to be looking for is a break above this level at 20.7, retest this as support, and then continue higher. That is a long position entry. That's what you want to be looking for. But pretty much not much has changed in the past few days, and again, I just want to give you guys these consolidation updates just to kind of give you the picture, because you can kind of see on the lower time frames how we are ranging downwards. But that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure to hit that likes button and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a